Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the types of hydrogen bond. So let's start. There are two types of hydrogen bonds. Number one is intermolecular hydrogen bond and next one is intramolecular hydrogen bond. Intermolecular hydrogen bond further classified into the homo intermolecular hydrogen bond and next one is hetero intermolecular hydrogen bond. We will discuss one by one. First of all, discuss about intermolecular hydrogen bonds. Whenever the hydrogen bond formed between the two different molecules, if the bond are formed between two different molecules, if the hydrogen bonded molecules are two different molecules, then it is said to be the intermolecular hydrogen bond. Both the hydrogen bonded molecules may be same or different. There are two different molecular, the hydrogen bond in the intermolecular hydrogen bond, there are two different molecules and two different molecules may be the same or may be different. Okay, if both the hydrogen bonded molecules are same, if both the hydrogen bonded molecules are same, then it is said to be the homo intermolecular hydrogen bond. What we said? Homo stands for the same. Means if both the hydrogen bonded molecules are same, then it is said to be homo intermolecular hydrogen bond. Let us take an example of HF. So here the hydrogen bond, it is the dotted line represents the hydrogen bond, and in this example there are only the hydrogen HF molecules involved in the hydrogen bonding. That's why it is an example of homo intermolecular hydrogen bond. Next example, I have taken the water. So the hydrogen bond is formed between only the water molecules. So the dotted line represents the hydrogen bond, and this hydrogen bond is formed between the only water molecules, that is homo molecules, and the bond is formed is known as homo intermolecular hydrogen bond. So here keep in mind the homo means same molecules. So if the bond is formed between the two same molecules, then it is said to be homo intermolecular hydrogen bond, and if both the interacting molecules are different, then it is said to be the hetero. Hetero stands for the different. Okay, so whenever the both bonded molecules are different, then it is known as hetero intermolecular hydrogen bond. What you call hetero intermolecular hydrogen bond. For let us take an example of, it is alcohol molecule. R stands for the ROH. It is alcohol, and next molecule is water. So here the bond formed between the alcohol and water. That's why there are two different molecules involved in the hydrogen bonding. So here the hydrogen bond formed between the oxygen and hydrogen. So in this hydrogen bond formation, different molecules involved. That's why it is said to be the hetero intermolecular hydrogen bond. Okay, so hetero means hetero means different, and here homo means same. If both the items, both the